So you want to learn more about the Wawaseen.com Memorial Weekend Boat Rally?
Imagine the TV show Amazing Race meets Lake Wawasee. Your entire team will arrive at a to-be-announced location, by boat, all in one boat, at 1:45 on the 29th of May.
Your team captain will disembark from your vessel and meet with us on shore. Exactly at 2 p.m., every team will receive their first clue, and the rally begins!
You and your team will travel across Lake Wawasee by boat, solving clues, discovering secret locations, and performing crazy tasks.
Each time you accomplish a step, solve a clue, or complete a task in the rally, you'll gather points.
Eventually, your clues will lead you back to the awards party, where you'll snack on free food and soft drinks.
The team with the greatest total number of points will win a cash prize. And their names will live in infamy on the Wawaseen.com Rally Trophy.
So now you're interested, and you want to know how to register.
First, know that you can register up to 8 people at one time, and it costs $20 for each person registered. Credit card or check is accepted.
The great news is that a significant part of your registration fee will go to protect the lake via the Wawasee Area Conservancy Foundation.
Once you register, we'll send you a rally packet full of additional information. Register now by clicking here.